Welcome to Susak's, the world of simple quick recipes. So today we are going to make a very easy and a soft cake made with hot milk. Two things we have to keep in mind before we start. First of all, grease the baking tray and keep it ready. And also the oven should be preheated way before. This is because as we are adding hot milk to the mix, the cooking slowly starts, and so we should proceed without any delay. So first of all, we will heat 150 ml of milk, and while it is hot, add 75 gram of butter and allow it to boil till the butter melts. Meanwhile, switch on the oven for preheating at 170 degree. So now, as all the butter is melted, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now, take 3 eggs, beat it, and add 225 grams of sugar in small portions and continue beating for about 2 to 3 minutes till it turns into a pale color. Now you can see that the color has turned into a pale color. Now take 200 grams of all-purpose flour and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it and sieve it in. Now add this to the previous mix and slowly fold it in. So now it is fully combined. Add the hot milk. It should not be too hot. Now mix it slowly. And add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So without delay, add it to the greased baking tray. You can see that it has a really flowing consistency, and this is what makes it really soft. And tap it. And now keep in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, just check with a toothpick or skewer whether it is coming out clear. It's cooked thoroughly. Now allow it to cool a little bit. And top it with some powdered sugar. It's a wonderful tea cake. You can also add tutti frutti if you wish.
is a pretty yummy cake.
You can see that inside it has cooked really well. It is really soft and fluffy and very easy to make. So just try it out and just let us know. And see you all with the next video. Bye.